guys, and welcome back. Today I have something special for you guys, and it's the Deluxe, Deluxe edition, and I'm excited. I know there's been a lot of people that already done reviews, and I wanted to point out, if you guys get mad at me, angry, whatever, write horrible things, but for me, buying these boxes are that I want this stuff, not to make a darn profit. I've seen online people selling one of the mystery lipsticks in it for like goo gobs of money. I'm like, what is wrong with people these days? I bought this to keep the stuff, not to make a profit. I just want to put it out there because I find it horrible and this wrong to try to make money off of his merchandise and stuff, and then somehow getting more than two. That is not right. I'm sorry, but yeah, I was robbed of the bigger one, the Supreme. It was literally, I had been on it for like 3 seconds and it was like that. I'm like, what the heck? So, I have a pair of scissors, so I'm going to open up. But at least I got this one. I'm happy. Whatever. But I just wanted to put it out there. I get hate. I don't care. I just wanted to say it. I grew up to a time when what you get, you cherish it, and you use it. That's how I was raised. Okay. I absolutely find this adorable and so cute. I love orange. So pretty. Let's try to get this sucker open. Holy smokes, this thing is like a vault here. I've had another package that was way worse than this. Okay, that was weird. But I've noticed that today's society is so, money hungry. That's what I see it as. And it's sad. But yeah. I really want the stuff. I don't have money to be blowing. Holy smokes, this is not easy. Wow, the thing does not want to come out, and I don't want to ruin the box. I want to use it for something else. But it does not want to come out. Okay. Maybe. Alright, this is playing a mystery game. Okay, maybe I found it finally. Sorry about this, guys. I'm excited about it. I want to keep the stuff. I like his stuff. Okay. I think I finally got it. I got it open. So the first thing I got in here is a liquid frost in Ice Queen. What kind of... I know I have one. Where are you? There it is. Which one do I have? Oh, Frostbite. So I don't have that. That's colored. So, that's a pretty color though. So that's Ice Queen. I don't like to break the seals. I think they're so pretty. I keep the boxes. I'm weird. So, let's see. And these are a little difficult to work with, but they are pretty. I forgot how difficult this is to get out. Alright, so that's not coming out. Never mind. Okay. I'll figure it out later. But yeah, so I got a liquid highlighter in that. And I got a shirt. Ah, I want this shirt. It's so cute. I got a little bit bigger than my normal size because I have one of his, and it's a little tight on me. So. Alright, that's going to be really big, but who cares? But that is so cool. That is really cute. Ooh! What do we have here? The Mystery Frost! I knew I was getting this and stuff. I've seen so many things, and I was told this was in there. But, yeah, I didn't get the lipstick. Oh well. But, let's see. I think the lipstick was only in the big boy. If I want to later on, I know right now it's hectic. So this is the Skin Frost in Mystery. Look at that. That is so cool. It's kind of like it's molded, look, like it's got mold on it, but it doesn't. It's so cool. So there's the Mystery highlighter. And we got another gloss in the color Sequined Glass. I don't have this one. I only have Midnight Lick and Thank Me. Yeah. I picked some interesting ones. So, I do. I like that he's giving, in these boxes, his newer products in it. So, and this one does not want to come out either. These are so difficult to get from the bottom. And especially with nails. I have nails right now. And I'll talk about those more, my nails, in another video. Probably this upcoming Saturday. I'll tell you guys more about it. The problem is I can't seem to get down here. Did I got it? Yes, I did. Ooh, that one's pretty, guys. I like that one. So I'm going to keep it out of the box and put it with the other one, which are back here. So that goes with the other two. I don't disagree, people saying those look gaudy, because it looks like something came out of my grandma's house. Sorry, but yeah. Next, I've got, oh, I already have this color, but I'll keep it because I actually like it. Christmas Cookie. You guys can read that. It's very pretty. I won't take it out of the box, but I do have this color. And then I actually, it was recommended by another YouTuber. Her channel is Porcelain, and her name is Bridget. She recommended this color, and I love it. I'm going to keep that off to the side. And a bullet. I don't have any of his bullets, and it's in Snow Cone. Which, I don't remember. Is it green? I don't remember. I never got, and I think this is from his summer edition. Oh yeah, it's kind of a green color. That's not bad. I'll keep it. I'm not a big lipstick girl, but I'll keep it. I think this is actually, yeah, this one is from his new Jawbreaker line. And I have majority of them here too. So, next is this package. I don't know what it is. Oh. I will give this, because I own it, I'll show you. So I won't open this. And I got it. See? This is mine. This is my new one. So I'll give this one. So I have a new one. So that's going to be cut off as a Christmas gift. Yeah, Christmas gift. Hopefully don't know watch it. This one. And there's this big box in here. I don't know what it is. But it's a big box. What? Oh! Oh my god, it's my first mirror. I'm so excited about this. I don't have any of his mirrors. I want to break the seal. But I must break the seal. I'm kind of disappointed I didn't get any of the lipsticks, but oh well. Because people are such crazies on there. I didn't break the seal. I didn't break the seal. Yay. Let me see if I can move it. I'm like crazy. I got the sticker off. But I'm so excited. I don't have any of his mirrors. I don't know which one this one is either. Orange one! It's the orange one. Oh my god. It's the orange one. Wow, that is so cute. My first one. I did buy another one. I bought the chrome peach color. So that should be coming soon. I hope and pray it comes soon. But yeah, this is my first one. I'm so happy. This is so awesome. So I got in the box the, wait, they're all back together. Gosh. Let's stick up here. So I got a mirror. There's his Halloween mirror in the orange. I got one of his gloss. One of these liquid frost. I got the mystery skin frost. I got a lipstick and Christmas cookie, which I already own. One of his holiday or summer collection, snow cone ammunition, and another Jawbreaker mini palette. So that is it that came out of the deluxe box, which is the not the large one, but the medium sized one. And I'm happy with it. I like what I got. And I'm keeping the stuff. Except this one. And I'm going to be generous and give it as a gift. So, that was it. And if you guys like this video, please click the like button. And if you aren't already subscribed, please click the subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell. I do try to air every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And for the next couple months, I'm going to be doing a special Saturday with my daughter and stuff, just for fun. And probably another one, maybe, I'm not sure, because it's getting close to the holidays. And